Look around you. See all those colors? They don't exist. Not in the physical world anyway. Color is created entirely inside your brain. Out there, there's just electromagnetic radiation of different wavelengths. Your brain translates that into the experience of red, blue, green. Color is a magnificent illusion. Let's explore how light and vision really work. Light is electromagnetic radiation that our eyes can detect. It's the same stuff as radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, just different wavelengths. Visible light is a tiny sliver of the electromagnetic spectrum. Most of what's out there, we can't see at all. We're nearly blind to the universe. Here's where it gets weird. Light is both a wave and a particle. It spreads out like waves in water, but also comes in discrete packets called photons. How can it be both? It depends on how you measure it. This wave-particle duality is one of the strangest things in physics. Light refuses to fit in one category. Light is fast. It travels at about 186,000 miles per second. It could circle Earth 7.5 times in 1 second. Nothing in the universe can travel faster. Light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach us. When you look at distant stars, you're seeing them as they were years ago. Humans have 3 types of cone cells, sensitive to red, green, and blue light. Every color you see is your brain mixing signals from these 3 cone types. That's why screens use RGB pixels. With just 3 colors, you can trick the brain into seeing millions. Your color vision is a 3-ingredient recipe. About 8% of men and 0.5% of women have some form of color blindness. Usually, one type of cone doesn't work properly. The most common is red-green color blindness, where red and green look similar. Some people are completely colorblind, seeing only in grayscale. The colorful world isn't the same for everyone. Think humans see a lot? Mantis shrimp have 16 types of color receptors. They can see ultraviolet light and polarized light that's invisible to us. They perceive colors we can't even imagine. Their visual world is unimaginably rich. Humans are basically colorblind compared to them. There are entire spectrums of light you'll never see. Infrared light just below red is heat radiation. Pit vipers can see it to hunt warm-blooded prey. Ultraviolet light is beyond violet. Bees use it to find flowers. Radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays, all invisible to our eyes. We're missing most of the light show. Objects appear colored because of which wavelengths they absorb or reflect. A red apple absorbs all colors except red, which bounces into your eyes. White objects reflect all wavelengths. Black objects absorb everything. That's why black gets hot in sunlight. It's absorbing all that energy. The sky is blue because of scattering. Sunlight contains all colors. When it hits air molecules, shorter wavelengths, like blue, scatter in all directions more than longer wavelengths, like red. So blue-white bounces around the sky, reaching your eyes from everywhere. At sunset, light travels through more atmosphere, scattering away the blue and leaving red and orange. Rainbows are nature's prisms. When sunlight enters water droplets, it bends and separates into different colors because each wavelength bends slightly differently. Red bends the least, violet the most. The droplets then reflect the light back, and you see the spectrum spread across the sky. Rainbows are actually full circles. We just see the arc above the horizon. Here's something confusing. Mixing light and mixing paint work completely differently. Mix red, green, and blue light, and you get white. Mix red, green, and blue paint, and you get muddy brown. Light mixing is additive. You're adding wavelengths. Paint mixing is subtractive. You're absorbing more wavelengths. 2 opposite systems of color. Your brain can be tricked. Optical illusions show how color perception isn't straightforward. 2 identical gray squares can look different based on surrounding colors. A dress looked white and gold to some people and blue and black to others. Your brain makes assumptions that aren't always right. Color is a guess. Some materials glow under UV light. They absorb invisible ultraviolet and re-emit visible light. That's fluorescence. Your white clothes glow under black light because of fluorescent brighteners in laundry detergent. Some animals use fluorescence to signal each other in ways invisible to predators. Some creatures make their own light. Fireflies, deep-sea fish, and glowing plankton all produce light through chemical reactions. No electricity needed. In the dark ocean depths, bioluminescence is everywhere. These organisms create light for hunting, mating, and defense. Life can be its own light bulb. Lasers are special light. Normal light is chaotic, many wavelengths going in many directions. Laser light is coherent, one wavelength, all in phase, going in one direction. This focused beam can travel great distances, cut through steel, or carry internet data through fiber optic cables. Organized light is powerful. Plants are solar-powered. They use chlorophyll to capture light energy and convert it to chemical energy through photosynthesis. Chlorophyll reflects green light, which is why plants look green. They're literally running on sunshine. All the food you eat traces back to plants capturing light. We flooded the night with artificial light. Light pollution means most people can no longer see the Milky Way. It disrupts animal behavior, bird migration, and even human sleep. We evolved under dark skies, and our bodies expect nighttime darkness. The stars are still there. We just can't see them anymore. Light is one of the most fundamental things in the universe, yet we experience only a tiny slice of it. Colors exist only in our minds, painted from electromagnetic waves. Every color you see is your brain's interpretation of the world. The universe is stranger and more wonderful than our eyes can show us. Thanks for watching.